Hi guys, we are so happy that you are today with us, and right now we will show you how to respond to the selected comment on your Instagram account. So let's go to the voting. Right now we are opening our Insta app, and as you can check, we are located on the profile page. So let's choose one of the appeared posts as an example. So let's tap on the comment section here, which is the second one, and use as an example this comment to reply on it. We have the special inscription reply. After clicking on it, we have the tagged person to respond on this selected comment. So let's say something like hello and emoji. Later, to post it, we just need to pick on the post button opposite, and well done. Let's wait some time before the uploading, because if you have some troubles with internet, you really need more time. And okay, tap to retry. Maybe we have some troubles with internet, I need to say. Yes, everything is well done, and right now our comment is successfully saved. Let's check the result after refreshing our profile page. I will go to the same post, to the same comment section. Okay, and we have the doubled option. So right now I will show you the additional features, how to delay the selected comment. We just need to swipe it to the left side, and we have saved comments where we replied on the first one, which is very convenient because you really can create some chats with your friends, some conversations. And guys, this is very simple to do. I hope that this short tutorial was useful and needful. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because here we will show you even more cool tricks about the Insta and other apps. Bye bye!